How to place a buy or sell order in Forex.com. Are you guys facing issues to place a buy or sell order in Forex.com? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To place a trade, first of all, open browser on your laptop or mobile devices and enter Forex.com. After you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, head to the market or trade sections and choose a trading pair, for example Euro USD or JPY. Tap on it to open the window. You will now see buy and sell options. If you think the price will fall, tap sell, enter the trade size you want. You can also set stop loss and take profit level to manage your risks. Then choose the order type, either market order for immediate execution or limit to set a specific price. Once everything looks good, tap place trade or submit. You'll see your order in the open position tab where you can track or lose it anytime. And if you are not sure how to do this, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for full guidance. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.